concealer, I mix these two. I have a test today. It's only been 3 weeks since we started and we already have a test. That's ridiculous. First we have class in the morning, and then during the second class we have test. This is what I practiced last night. And then after test we have another class. We finished class at 2:30 today. I have dance practice at 7. So I'm gonna tell you guys about the dance thing later in the video before I go to practice. And these days I've been using this. This is my lunchbox. Me back and my iPad. Is it again? Why does your finger look tiny?
No, I don't know why it looks so small.
Look. How could it be 20 something? So I don't want the huge one, so I put this one.
$30.
Yeah, no, come on. It was fun. Mum and kid.
Got me? So everyone can come and see.
Did you got it?
Yeah. You just do
1,000.
1,000.
So you
Avocado, chicken, and corn.
Waiting for our test.
It tastes like nothing. Hi, Olivia, come here. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Sabji.
She's out.
I failed. Yeah. After the test, we're gonna go home. Do you think you're gonna go get bubble chocolate? Nice. But the I wanna be too.
I don't know what that means. But that's not in any of the. That doesn't use the formula.
split yourselves up, switch to another table, and expand so there are fewer people at each table. Yeah?
The computer's gonna do it.
Exactly. We won't have to convert all that shit.
Oh, none.
Like it won't be like, you know,
Micrograms to
like it will literally say exactly what it is.
We definitely have to redo it.
Come, go.
10 out of 10. Every time.
Always a favorite.
Home time. Yay! Honestly, it's so good. Never get sick of it.
So, I could drink it every day. Home time. Bye, see you guys. See you later.
Oh. Oi. Oi. Hi everyone, this is my nephew and today he turned 8 months old. I'm babysitting him today. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Oi. Oi. Tip to. He just spilled all the water. Chepto. I was with my nephew the whole time and I just put him to sleep just now. Time is currently 6:30 and I have my mega crew rehearsal at 7, so I should be leaving now. I'm really tired. So yeah, I used to go to like random dance classes, but right now I haven't told this on YouTube yet, but I'm currently with a dance crew that I recently joined. I auditioned for it and then I got in. It's Saint's Dance Crew. So this is our Instagram page and we have a show coming up on April every Tuesday and Thursday. So today's Thursday. On Tuesdays we have rehearsals from 7 to 9 and on Thursdays we have rehearsal from 7 to 9:30. Extra workout on Thursday. Yeah, right now we are prepping for the show that we have in April. I'll try my best to vlog during the training. I don't think I'll get much footages, and also obviously I don't want to show that much of, I don't want to spoil or chorus yet in the songs, so I'm just gonna keep it short and then I'm just gonna show you like the studio and yeah. I made it on time, yes. Let's go.
Until 6 in the morning. So what you gonna do?
Happy birthday. Ya, bukan lagi. Gone. Tinggal saya puja. Sukses. Happy birthday. Oh, dog gives him tinggal. Yummy. 신부다. 맞아, 여기 아들. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Steph Curry, bakla.
One, two, three, boom.
months. 유튜브 못하게. 아마 한국 사람들이 콜라. 엔더스 무셔도 저거 왜 들어야? 찍어.
Birthday boy.
apa ini kuring ya?
Birthday boy.
Edma.